Hello and good afternoon. This is Paul with Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and today we're looking at a fresh trade-in we just took in. This is a 07 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, the V6 3.8 liter engine, 115,000 miles. This is a half cut. Only the rear third row area has been converted into a wheelchair accessible vehicle. The second row is still in place. It's been remounted in the second row, so you can seat 6 people in this van. If the wheelchair occupant is in the back of the vehicle. I'm going to open this up to show you the back of it. This was an original Kneelvan back in the day when we converted it, when it was like brand new, and we have refurbished the whole back end of it. The whole rear wheelchair accessible area has been refurbished with a new ramp, which is very, very lightweight, nearly weightless. Spring loaded, so it makes it very, very lightweight. Brand new floor, just been refurbished. It's what we call a half cut. Only the back portion is converted. Then you have your originally factory seats there in the second row. This one's only $11,999. This is the lowest price one we have here in stock. They range all the way up to $80,000 for a new Suburban. We have Suburbans, Silverados, Sierras and Yukons, Kia Sorentos, Chrysler Pacificas, Dodge Grand Caravans. Most of our units here are 16s, 17s, and 18s. They're like brand new. So this is one of the older ones we have in stock. That's a trade-in. It's not perfect. It's a 12-year-old Dodge, so it's got a little bit of rust under the doors. But overall, it's in good shape. As happens with the Chryslers, after a while, they start to rust at the bottom. So there's a little bit of rust there starting. But it's a good, economical, low-priced, wheelchair accessible van. So we've got 3 people can sit there, 2 in the front, 1 in the very back. Just redid the floors. The floors are brand new. So for $11,999, pretty low price. It's got rear air conditioning, power doors, fresh trade-in. If you're interested in this van, give us a call. 1-800-625-6335. It's 1-800-625-6335. We're in Battle Creek, Michigan. We offer free in-house demos. We deliver coast to coast for an extra cost. We do offer shipping. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call. 1-800-625-6335. 2007 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, dual power sliding doors, brand new, refurbished, Freedom Motors, wheelchair accessible rear ramp. Nice van. Give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Check out our whole entire inventory at freedommotors.com. Please click the subscribe button on the YouTube page. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.